Hi, besties. In today's world, financial education is very important because knowledge is so powerful. Right now, we do not need more savings because a lot of times we are saving the wrong way. We need a better strategy to make sure that the money that we are saving is giving us good returns to beat inflation, or rather, we are spending cautiously so we can make more money that we can send to work for us. Money can actually gain weight when you send it to work for you through investments. So, in today's economy, survival is not about how much you earn anymore, so you stop getting stressed out. It is about how smart you can use and position your money to multiply for you. So, imagine having a safe and secured way to build your and grow your wealth through stocks and real estate. But when I talk about real estate, I talk about the real estate investment trust, where you do not even need to buy a land, own a house, or even go through the agent's wahala, but you will have money in every month, like passive income, counting money every month. So, how do you get started? The first thing I'm going to tell you is to go straight and download this app called Optimus by Afrinvest. So, this video, the link for you to click to download yours in just 5 minutes is in the description of this video. So just do yourself a favor, click on the link and get this app up and running for you. So you can use the OptiFlex. We have the OptiLock. The OptiFlex is flexible. The OptiLock is not flexible. You have to lock it for at least 3 months. This is a better way because you're going to earn more in interest. You can earn up to 20%. Now let's talk about investing your money. Let's look at stocks. If you look at this screen, you see that I just pulled up Amazon stock. Right now, Amazon is doing very well. This is a stock I called out when it was at $176, and today it is currently, as at the time of recording, $211. This is how you make your money in the stock market. One important thing you need to know is having the right coach, having the right information, and buying the stocks at the right time. And I'm going to show you why I said buying the stocks at the right time. Imagine getting this stock at around 11 and the stock goes down to 180. So knowing when stocks are going to probably go down, we call it pullbacks or correction, is one of the best times to buy. Now let's also look at Tesla. Tesla is doing amazingly well. The last 1 day it's been returning marvelously. It's currently around 348 as at the time of recording. The last 5 days of this stock, we have made over $40 in profit. This stock was around $220 by last month. And today, this is where we are. Now, if you check your year to date, you see that the stock is still down compared to where it used to be. But because the stock dropped to 220, it was another opportunity for us, for those that missed it the last time. Now, let's look at Tesla today. Tesla is 347, which is a beautiful move up. We're still heading to 400. So buying the stocks at the right time really, really matters. Let's look at another stock that I really love that has done absolutely amazing the last 1 year, Palantir. I'm going to pull it up shortly. Palantir is currently, in fact, yesterday it touched 131, but as at the time of this recording is at 129.79. This stock has been giving us beautiful returns from the last 1 day to the last 5 days to the last 1 month to the year to day, meaning January, up until this month of May. The stock has been returning 71%. You can see that over the last 1 year, this stock has given us 620%. Your 100K would have been over 600,000 now. And let's look at the last 5 years of this stock. It had returned 1,692%. Say what? This is how you make your money in the stock market. And this stock is still warming up to do great things. This stock will get to 200. But the truth is that right now, it is almost at the top. It just hit an all-time high. It is not really the best time to pick it up. But if you're in the community, I will let you know when best to pick it up. Now, another way you can make money in the stock market is what we call the dividends. When you buy dividend stocks, but this is a dividend in the real estate. So when I talked about real estate, you do not need to own properties or go through land or maintaining a house or building a house. This one is you're investing in what we call the real estate investment trust. every month this company pays you some money. Let me show you something. Just look at dividends. You'll see that they pay you $1.44 for each share you own, meaning in a whole year they will give you 15%. 15% of your money, you have 1 million, you're making 15% of 1 million, and you get it. They split the 15% into 12 months, and every month you get paid. This is one way people are making a lot of money. So you see, you get dividends mostly for just doing nothing but having the right information. Like I always say, there are other dividends that are paying up to 40% that we have in the community, which I personally show you when you join my VIP community. Please come and join us in this community. There are so many beautiful testimonies, so many amazing things that are happening. I would personally love to have you join us in the community so that you don't get stressed out anymore. You have some form of direction and you know what you're doing. The link to pay is in the description. For VIP, it is just 50,000 naira for 1 year subscription, and you're going to learn so much and make a lot of money. See you in the community.